Daddy Lumba a wonya ye wonwumtu mu nom Ghana de hye bisa abusuane se omo sere abusuane ada omo pese omunya akwanya na obi kakra pese ode boye papa ye nhyehyɛ ya na onfamfa abefo kwan so emfam na papa abusuane sentinom Daddy Lumba abusua ene lawyers aye krado agye atumnti make se kokko bi account ewo car bank se Ghana de hye mo kondo a na mo opepem no mo obi se mo de beboa mo mfamfa honom emfam aye papa aye ntutuye na bank account no ye bie no car bank na branch ne East Legon branch eye account number no enie 14000099434457 account number mesin su bio 14 zero ni ya mako and 9 no abo 99434457 no abo account number no enie account name no ye Daddy Lumba Memorial Foundation mitimbi odi amount Daddy Lumba Memorial Foundation no na ya account name no Samsung many agent no ye will be ho no pa momo number no enie 0538 901420 0538 901420 Samsung your merchant ID no is 786475 786475 Samsung na your short code ubetumi abo wankasa wo phone no so we say ya bank de hwebo ana access smartphone na nyina code ni nie *771 *111666 hash na wa send maybe say donors name na wa bodin de ahya wonom na wadi hye so na wa send kama enti *771 *111666 e papa nyom no code no de hashtag de atwato na wa send na bibia tumi akwankan e de amount
Papa be jama so bia to agusu a otobi eye Lumba super enu ntine meka fu Lumba super di amount bomodia na kope bito sane be ya betimi edi udwuma na di bi nso edi asom wa hoho na mpanifo peshenkani onim tricycle eni kiatwintu ye shenkani a frem mpanifo e 0555 274 757 ana 0577 475 343 Oko dance man ne pattern ma madam abanya meche ye so distributor wo hono wa adjacent Lumba Sport ya Pietus Lane freno e 0557 349 401 Mama Vic e wo Fanco Sport M obenye washing bay no freno e 0500 680 783 Bra Kwame e wo da Command Circle Station by Adom Choba freno e 0244 094 793 Madam Edith Kusi ewo Dowenya or Opsi Central University freno ewo 0246 601 004 and 0266 400 215
Akenka for yase nkonwa ebesom awie no edi ameje so eye wo fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ya da ya ho ya ba ya de kasebo ne kire wankasa ebesomo
sekutu sebam enyo de ni bia sekutu sebam yen mwachigo sekutu sebam midian gogofu sewa sekutu sebam DL kase body hinta no ne pa hontoma
DL News.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba. Afitru mirikane share yen. Ewo Facebook kono so na finso. YouTube 106.9. DLFM 106.9 kasebo no. Yefa mu nchirimo emfa ensomum. Yensha kasebo na se emfa mfiri Ghana mampanin. Berema obuada John Dramani Mahama Endrada Otumija ne tome so epao nipa makon edunwotwe a watumi commission ma waje o matum so mkonko badwumaden enkonkwesi omaga na namu enkoso men awamanone sebe yebeboa na resetting Ghana agenda no ebetumi apamum Ghana mampani dwumadi a etodwa na opa hontoma na oje empanifo de ato no mwasai ewo man Ghana o mampani atena ye o man nkrabopure matemu no Ghana mampani kasemu ana wo kire mu sem o sra wor ma da se nipa nkwa akoso mo de asem be ya dwumapa na masom o man Ghana som pa na bono man yɛtimi ɛkɔyɛnum ɛwɔ mpuntu mu nipa maako maako edu nwɔtwe ne bi mu kɔ akɔbɔ adwumaden a emu maako maako du mmienu ɛyɛ ambassadors emu maako maako mmiɛnsa ɛyɛ high commissioners ɛna emu maako maako mmienu nso ɛyɛ ambassadors in ɛyɛ situ ɛna emu baako nso kɔ akɔbɔ adwuma sɛ ambassador at large na edian didi sue wɔnom ne yɛ ambassadors a Ghana mampanin apa wɔnom de odi ka yɛ Mrs. Saba Zita Benson ɔno yɛ high commissioner to the United Kingdom. Mrs. Victor Emmanuel Smith ayɛ ambassador to United States. Madam Mavis Ama Frempom ayɛ ambassador to France. Sanso na Mr. Baba Jamal Mohammed Ahmed ayɛ high commissioner to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And Dr. Koma Stim Jehu Apia ayɛ ambassador to the Russian Federation. Sanso mama kani bieno ayɛ Mr. Kojo Bonsu. Sa ono yɛ ambassador to the People's Republic of China. Sanso Alhaji ayɛ Hamed Rashid Tunde Ali ayɛ ambassador to the United Arab Emirates. Sanso na Professor Ohene Agyei ɔyɛ ambassador to the Federal Republic of Germany. Ɛna Alhaji Abdul Nasiruddin ambassador to Turkey. Sanso na Dr. Margaret ayɛ Miwen Chebere ɔno yɛ ambassador to the Kingdom of Denmark. Sanso na Mr. Labik Joseph Yani ayɛ ambassador to the Republic of Equatorial Guinea. Sanso na ni Amasa Namwale ɔno nso sɛ ambassador to Federative Republic of Brazil. Sanso na Professor Kwesi Obridanso ayɛ High Commissioner to India. Wɔn maka ni bi nso yɛ Mr. Samuel Yawu Kuma Ghana's permanent representative to the United Nations. Sanso na New York kɔbɔ dwumaden pam. Ɛna Mr. Godwin Bretum Amozem ɔyɛ ambassador to the Republic of Liberia. Sanso na Akins Abrakwa ambassador in Situm. The letter of state protocol no. Mr. Gesto Kwaku Sefe Dovlo ambassador in Setum. Chief of State Protocol. And Mrs. Patience Kukui Gamali Kwame or ambassador at large, Deputy Director, General Research Department. Nagana man peniwe yes pe and wase osremwada. Monkoba jumaden enkopa omagana hontoma. En French we are say man senyina. Mumo de ron kan chere we are senyina say. Ghana ha and head. Afisu Ghana kwan wo dem ba na Ghana. Imputu abenti. Monfa investors emra omenoma ye jumaden mona Ghana. Emebuno enya adwumanye Ghana man pani kyerem sem osra o mada se momade yanka Ghana nyuma pa titiriw ne tourism insra ha nyuma enkyera aborofo no momre na Ghana sikapa ena finzo puto emna obanyimu ode nsem sei etudwa.
The reset agenda is this administration's blueprint, a bold vision to restore hope in our people, to rebuild trust and to rekindle the movement towards prosperity. It seeks to re-anchor our integrity, transparency and inclusive development governance, while much of this work will be driven domestically, your role is to extend this agenda abroad by cultivating strategic partnerships, unlocking opportunities and deepening Ghana's place in the global community. Our foreign policy has always been anchored on enduring principles: Pan-Africanism, peaceful coexistence, self-determination, and the pursuit of justice and equity in world affairs. Yet today's world demands diplomacy that is also agile, that is innovative, and purposeful. Global shifts in geopolitics, economics, and technology require Ghana not only to respond, but also to actively shape trends in ways that benefit our people. I therefore expect you to be vanguards of Ghana's economic diplomacy. Let your missions become dynamic hubs of export promotion, investment, attraction, tourism, marketing, innovative change, and diaspora mobilization. Carry Ghana's story to the world, not just as a beacon of democracy and stability, but also as a land of opportunity, open for business, embracing technology, and committed to partnerships that deliver prosperity for our youth and dignity for our working class. Your responsibilities go beyond representation. They also require strong leadership and sound administration.
Any awoti ye Ghana mampeni Berema Obuada John Dramani Mahama.
Yanto akase bone so ani aginemu ewo nkran pipini mantema na omampani John Dramani Mahama abo CEO Edema Environmental Protection Authority ɛyɛ Professor Nanama Brown Kluche na baso ye papa so wetimi agina na yi no say ono na nkoka ɛyɛ reconstituted ɛyɛ 26 member lands commission board ne ho a obo na baso ye pa na we na okasa ɛwɔ dwumadie na se no mampani kyerem a ɛho behia pa say ba gender balance na emu betimi ayɛ de no matimi ahyɛ mu kina sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ ɔmo nso no betimi agina sa kandifo ɛwɔ dwumadie bi ɔmbedi na okyeremu kra wasa Ghana bomode no mo san so kɔ ɛyɛ affirmative action law honom sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ ɔmbɛhwɛ na ɛnyɛ kra ma bɛyɛ 30% deɛ sɛ kɔba so mu ya kandifo wɔ dwumadie bi mu ɔmo so no ebetimi aka ho na ɔde nsɛmi etudwa ɛwɔ abra deputy lands minister yɛ Yusuf Sulemana ɛde tudwa ekyemu sɛ ohwɛ commission ni ma kyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ nibire sɛm yɛ pesan sɛ ɛma no yi ɛyɛ Professor Nanama Brown Kluche efiri honom a ɔmo amaka nyinaa ɛyɛ mɛma kyɛ sɛ ɛha adwin yɛ papa na mampani John Dramani Mahama echema ɛyɛ CEO ɛde ma EP ɔbɔ na ba so esan so ndo onim de obetimi ayɛ ɛyɛ ade ɔbɔ ne ho modin yɛ pant wongyina ɛfɛma ɛma 30% na ɔmo bɛyi ɔmo ɛde ɛwɔ commission ni mu na esan sɛ wabo adwuma ma na hu ama na so n'ani ntino ndo onim sɛ ɛbɛ adwuma de a ɔbɔ ne ho modin yɛ pa na ɛyɛ Professor Nanama ɛyɛ Brown Kluche yi oye eye climate scientist a nipa ebu ni ye papa sanso anoye past head of eye physics department ewo eye University of Ghana sanso anoye former vice chair edema IPCC eye working group 1 no achese obone homodin ye pa no mo hwe anim se yade a okono akoye adwuma se ne be ya omo so no hye o ma hye na no ebetimi akoye o mampani John Dramani Mahama edin sem say editudwa
the Deputy Minister in respect of gender representation. I think it's something we should take very seriously. We have passed an affirmative action act that says that 30% of all public office must be occupied by women. And so we expect that governing boards would have 30% of their membership being women. Unfortunately, anytime we leave it to the agencies to nominate, they nominate all men. And so we have a situation where we have a huge and important commission like the Lands Commission having only one woman. And I'm sure she's there because she's the executive secretary of the Environmental Protection Agency. If she wasn't, a man would have been nominated to represent her. So I think we need to look at legislation to support the affirmative action law. That gives a formula and says that for every governing board or institution, it must be mandatory that 30% of the positions must be reserved for women. And so we should look at that legislation again and see how to tighten it so that we'll be compelled. We'll have to, if it says 30%, then we'll have to work it like Lotto, a formula, and say you bring a woman, you bring this, you bring a man, until we're able to get the composition the way it should be. But it's nominated already and we have to work. And I know that all of you are people of distinction and honor, and I know you do a good job. And so our Executive Secretary, EPA, you'll be a very rare species in this commission, but I know you're a very capable woman, and so you represent the 30% of women on the commission. Yeah, Professor?
DLFM 0.9.
Eni ya uti ye Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama.
Yantu akasebo no so ene yankwa so anyere mu ewo man Ghana amamwo esemum. Na endrada ena Ghana mampani na esen kobo no homodin akopie mum. Ewo dwumadi na mpani form the Private Newspapers and Online News Publishers Association of Ghana. Etwaditia aka ne se Primpak ekuo no ekopiase na oko ede nanu nsem kotodwa nanso bibinti Ghana mampani entumi ankwa oyini chachaw ede hye the Deputy Government Spokesperson Honorable Adjoa Shamima Muslim ekwogyina mu ede Ghana mampani no okwa na wo kyerɛ mi sɛ Ghana mampani ene na ban egyane nanso no tumi nso bɛbo apa ma ɔman Ghana nsɛmtwerɛfo ahoba mmɔnsɛm atumi akɔ nkamampuntu nso atumi abadwumadi a wɔnom edinim onimnyamfo Shamima ekopie mu no emra na ekwei ɛyɛ wɔnom official negotiation dwumadi a wɔnom epaw atitire na nimpo abɛboa na Private Newspapers and Online News Publishers Association ko ɛwɔ magana mu no bɛboa pa na makɔ nkan no wɔn president ɛyɛ David Sichofe Tomakru na ɔka ho bi pam na Adjoa ka sɛm na ɔkyerɛ mi sɛm yɛn kan kyerɛ Ghana for sɛm Ghana mampani barima wɔ boada John Dramani Mahama egusu konkweden abɔ ne ɔpagwa kwam aboa no abɔ ɔman Ghana nsɛntwerɛfo ho ban yi papa ɔman sɛ bɛtumi abɔ nsɛntwerɛfo etumi abɔ adwumaden asom ɔman Ghana ne kasɛm bi no wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ ɔsrɛ sɛ nipa afra Ghana man mpanimfoɔ ɛna afei nso ɛyɛ ne tu pɛsɛ no ɔma wɔmɔden akɔpa ɔmɔden anya adwumaden yie no ɔmɔmmoa na adwumaden ahodoɔ mu tie no nsɛmtwerɛfo adwumaden no ɛtimi nkɔnkane ɔkyerɛ mu a nkontawo mapa nsɛmtwerɛfo yɛ mu nkonta ne yɛmmoa ɔmampanin ne ɔman Ghana institutions ahodoɔ no na nkɔne ne nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ no so yɛtimi no ɔman Ghana adwumaden no nkɔnkane ɔkyerɛ mu a edu bɛbɛ nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ yi bi ye ɛnsa woda mo keka wotumi sɛ wedie sensationalism pa ɔpɛnsɛm a yɛbɛka ɛbɛgye ta na yɛ oyɛ ne na kurom ayɛ sɛ yɔmpɔ na yɛyɛ ɛnyɛ o ɛnyɛ kram ɔkyerɛ ma nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ adwumadie no hyehyɛ wɔ ho nti yɛmfa mmara mfa nyɛ adwuma ne ne mmara kwan so fisa agudie bia ne wodi ne yi a ɛsɛ ɔbɔ mmɔden anama ho mmara no ɛdi mu akɔtene ɔkyerɛ mu a Ghana man pene wɔyɛ kra so bɛboa ma nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ adwumadie a yɛdie no akɔnkan ɔde nsɛm sei ɛto nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ anim
your welfare. What do we stand to gain by ensuring a distraction of the media space? The platforms that amplify government programs and projects. And so it is in the interest of His Excellency the President, who himself is one of us, that we have a thriving media. But as we say it, we also call for a responsible media. Because again, this country is what we all have. And the media has a responsibility to protect this country in as much as governments have the responsibility to create the environment that makes the protection of this country viable. If we don't catch up, we are left behind. And when you're left behind, you engage in analog activities that bring us all back and, halt the forward march. So government is definitely interested in ensuring a legal system that works for you and that protects your rights, that you can actually also go and vindicate your rights that have been, breached or abused.
Eni a woti ye ya mami ono ekasa de Ghana ban enkita hudi ahodo a odie meche deputy government spokesperson ne den e de honorable Adjoa Shamima Muslim ena wote ne nkan eno achi na eye newspapers no omamo bo moden atintintim ensem de fa ko wankra temu na afin so abefo kwan so abefo tentaso omo president Mr David Suchofe Tamakrum ekasa ye na ochirem se ye nsem twerefo mudwumadie die eye o nanso du ba bia ensem bi wo hono ma ya motwera enye kura enye o bontu otumi ka asem na asem wadane no na headline ye boka ka asem na asem ne ntesa sensationalism emwa o chirem se mama hodo bia ntokwa si su ne dia na free nsɛmtwerɛfo nti ɔsrɛ mu adanse nsɛmtwerɛfo yi yɛnka nokre ma yɛmfede asɛm bia da yɛmfa nto na afei nso yɛmfa nsɛmtwerɛ hyehyɛ ho mmara no yɛmfa nya adwuma na mbɔ na nsɛmtwerɛ adwuma de yɛdie no ɛnkɔ nkan ɛwɔ mayim na du ba bia de yɛyɛ ehu pa.
The world is changing. Journalism is not what it used to be 20 years ago. Technology has transformed how stories are told, how news is consumed, and how truth is defended. But what has not changed is the need for skill. Skill to ask the right questions. Skill to dig deeper than the surface. Skill to resist manipulation and tell the story as it is. If we are to remain relevant in this fast-moving media landscape, we must empower our members. Training will no longer be an occasional event. It must become part of our culture. We will build strong mentorship programs where seasoned journalists pass on their wisdom to the next generation. We must raise the bar on professionalism. We must reject sensationalism, resist misinformation, and fight against the temptation to trade truth for headlines.
I no, Sabramon can said yet, edu baby, and some native and some who say, I say bones over me nipa, or much in my banner say hard dream pam. Nania wuti ye or no, na ya president, Ujremu, then conquer them pam. Edema. Private Newspapers and Online News Publishers Association of Ghana. You try to can say Prempak, Neden Edim, Mr. David Suchofe Tamakrum. Nana Kwakramo no, and open upon no chairperson at the National Media Commission. Professor Enquires Opokuya Brichum, Copium no Chimisu, Central for Mubaju Madenanso. Some tre Jumadin Rabata Hunto Sramata. Mon from running your drum when Munya Bosrimuka, a do baby and send you a mocha to Miss Hajane. Momma running your drum and one and some shrift for you, Madame Mutino. Young kind of chrono man, Yan Chatre, Nankon and Nefantomapa, and Femfra.
The point about national development and the need for a media that mobilizes for national development. There are question marks. about that. But one is hopeful that you are very much aware of these challenges. One is hopeful that you intend to use this space to address whose interest you serve and how that interest in allowing you to survive can help address a national development that can talk about your production cost.
Any awuti no and a chairperson at the National Media Commission NMC Nidin Etin. Yama me Professor Equia Opoquia Brichum Nene and Auti.
Yantua Kasia Boneso na Upper West Regional Minister Charles Langa Abakasa Subium HM say a ya by na hofama ye pass on Bema Membruna Kunya Ewo a ye national apprenticeship a ye program Nimsan Yabaya almost no bet me Yansa Nujuma etimi aye. No ne a yes a 12 for attraction como Ewo matriculation ceremony no course so na what you chemuri Ewo wa. Ana okasa na oche mu se yedwumadie yo mu di sane be ma memnu na kwanya sanso na be mo mu gidie na sanso a kire mo nsane dwuma na mo so na etimi adi omu dwuma e wo man yi mu na sa program ye hu training ebe koso eye na watwe eye du nsia no so beboa na mabunu na ba unemployment amani musu wo man yi ma Ghana ba iche mo mo ye sane be beboa na mabunu ni na asoso no etimi anya adwuma e wo man yi modin sem say editudwa.
We are not just launching a training exercise. We are nurturing hope, skills, and dignity for the young people of this region. This program is a lifeline for the youth, offering them an opportunity to acquire employable skills, create jobs, and continue meaningful to national development. This program is an opportunity to carve out your future. Do not waste it. At the same time, let me draw our attention to a worrying development in our region, the growing menace of substance abuse among our youth. This is destroying lives and undermining the very investment we are making in you today.
Eniya uti Charles Langa no anaye Upper West Regional Minister. Nenuechi ananipo jinemu ediama Youth Ministry no Madam Vida Andy Echremus on a Upper West Regional Director Edema National Youth Authority Edituja Echemu say Emebnu Baya 10,000 Ewo a year 16 regions a war my muni na cheso mudio muhajimu Efa a year apprenticeship a year program ni mo buasanya beya almost no metimianya jumedie edi Sansu no di tuja no echemu say ya dia by na yoma hofama ye pan sanse mebunu no edo makoma suye papa.
As master craft person, we accept the responsibility placed on us as trainers, mentors, and guardians of the next generation of skilled workers. We pledge to uphold the highest standards of professionalism, fairness, and discipline in guiding our apprentices.
Eniya wuti Madam Vida and your Upper West Regional Director Edema National Youth Authority. Nane Krakremu Anna Regional Coordinator Edema National Apprenticeship Program Ewo Upper West so Edin Sem say Edi Etuja.
This initiative marks a historic commitment from the government, which is covering all training costs,
DLFM,
providing workplace insurance, monthly stipends, and personal protective equipment. Startup kits for all our apprentices. This unprecedented support underscores our dedication to skill development and job creation.
Eniya wuti Regional Coordinator at the National Apprenticeship Program Ewo Upper West.
Yemfree Upper West, Matem, the Yemfree and Fenchire Mo, Ewo Finfi Matem. Na make us a show my Ghana. A year after Yanchem Juma dear so, Ewo Finfi Matem. Metre National Disaster Management Organization Trinity can send Nadmu, penny for the cocobo, Eddie Ama this year be a gal maganum, or moody or man, a grato pretty to no mam. Monanam, incrassing, any or my gun and crack a simu, any beach, a 2 to 2 amia, basa, titu the mamia hodwa, a bang and puano. No chilema, Gomoa East, Mensinimono, a big cost of pie in fact. One ete, town bomb was surface of my henny, a baby nepo. Betimi eyiri dia fadehia wonom ewua Gomoa East mensen no emum na emra nadmom penimfo ekasa na mu kire mi sem wo hwa na mo bone nipa bi nam kuntuna se etumi tu anwea wo wompoya no a Nyankopɔn obo ade bo epui watuma ye pampim aye mepo bi de atwa pona no ahia enti epo no yira etumi mmɔ emfa nkokrom enkoyiri mfa nkura hodoi nanso kobrane enumodenti ebobodi atumi kofa aso ne soso etumi kopuya no ene mmem yahodo bi ne nwuram etumi kotu anwea ema epui ne bufu pe na ejiri ebekuro befa nipa o kirema ade ayeyei o ma Ghana yankase yamuna ene yeboato no ma yankwana yetumi kogu afiase ne yakum ye hunti ebeye ne manim yedam yenjai o kirema ade enti na Ghana nipa bonefuo bi betumi ayesa na sepui bufu ne bowura kuremu a enipa wo dom kopum koyi nam no ehe na mbekwa koyi adwuma ewudi beba so nti osra mada omunyai kram na wo kirema bomade yakopie mu ewo eye Gomua East na mokoye no na nyasem kumo ye enipa enimode ehwe ne ba ye homaden etimi apake parka hyen tipa tracks ene yetu anwade agum akoto anwanya dikwa na pei eyiri pe na nipa nkwa na didi agrei na Mr. Kwesi Dawood ono na ye Central Regional Director Edman Nadmu kasa no kirem say in fact ade wo ye koso no mbeka assembly no abom na wabone ye adwumaden aboa se be ya nipa bonfo nam bone so etu anwea mapo ibu befu na kum nipa yi etu betuma twade nsem sei etu di ye kase bo enim
Atoyenchema just ye ihwehanya ta in waiting atoyenchema just ye ihwehanya ni hunsunsanso ebe Gomua is wonso asase eda ase ha yina na ekoko asankran bi won short term economic interest into wait that's illegal sand winning I was see show. This is the time I can tidal waves are same, you can see erosion as same, you can see defense project as same. Now so no more other room yakupon another room. One my natural sea defense yes I see a trap na omanfo won team I boy ho boy. Now so obi dembra ashemisim. Also Sunday tia ni metu ompo no ha na maton na media me media hwe be hafa. Na ni refi sunsanso a ebutum e dia abre kro ya ite na ego mu afeti enhema yehu wechichi se breku so keta na dia cda o se epono amen krofo japade hu ne chichi ezide bi na ekoso ai enti meni the honorable MC honorable Magdalena na kom na Gomua is assembly no e ya adwumebre but what teams so make because so directives have been given one wo yes and many na no you know yes pay obi a na yes say ba begina epo no hanom ya be engage press ya to ya dream the MC or your action woman my municipal metro Nadmon director my man directives the Nadmo team here so what directive the regional operation team will be here so as when the security committee will advise us say the situation no I want to more
eni awuti ye no na kopie mu ofimfe mantem am asoye hwe atoya nchem dwumadie so no mechire National Disaster Management Organization aye tweditia e kan se nadbo no ono na da wono ma no ne den e de Mr. Kwesi Dawood e na wote ne nkene no achi no e na nadmo for e de adesre esre pass ne ma hodo e koso no munya nti no messages Margaret na akom na ye de chief executive Mesni Krachi e de Gomua East mesre no o kirem se se mbekwaso agye na so abadwumaden aboa ma kotika nipa bi faso etu ahwea e wo mesni ma mo e de besei mato ye nchem abo mai no eto atimatwa odin sem se eto di ye kase ebo enim
sibebe say report no at that table so true nadmo omo report omo be ye ma he say last week Friday and yes akan na bi mankasa de mani abebo ho e wo fete kasem e wo Gomua is na meka say na ne say ye beswe na ya san ya titu ne ya ahemfo osan so bi anyi wo mo olbo man ni mu anasa olbo kru no mu a onkonkoto ahemfansa nti ye beswe say ade we ye ekoso no emboa na emboa Gomua is so Young Papa, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is interested Ghana. Now, dear name Peba Kukra a Galamsey. If we're talking about Galamsey, see winning now, and I say, some winning now, and no soon a illegal, a yadibi and an angel, and then a strong one in a midi fee, Gomua is, Mediamo, Obibia, or Gomua is, all your son winning illegal. Because at the end of it, since I will share Yechi has here, see defense with a natural one. And ya, I feel like a buying Sabuboka. Na babe si defense e de aboa nyankopon na nkase wa me si defense a ebetumi aboa mo onyenem enkosi e Gomua is ba se ameno ka se bibi si se siara yenye save Gomua is bibi si se siara yenye save si yaboto ana da mu na mutwem anyi na mohwe ne yakoso e wo mpa no ha na e ya asefem na esanso e ye oha papa emfa ho se we ndis we MPP ye boa se ye botumi ya hwe se Gomua is e ba fa ne ntuma pefra enti ya mma machi wu wiansa na ye ba na ye bebodu ababa kan che say MC mpacho me NDC no one should dare.
Ai na ho asamanyen enkwedi ne yamo ho nsem na se MC yi anase mensi ne kra kire mpanimfo be so pa chi se twe na ya do gina mana be kan na me ye NDC ne maban na ba enti we de mesre ma me ni dibi o se de bia nya ne sa akra eni a wotie Mrs. Margaret Nana akom ona ye mensi kra chi edema Gumua East ena wote nini
Yantua Kasebone so na CEO from Ediama Minerals Commission Isaac Andrew Stando Eden Sama Betuja Chemu say yes wa buying policy muni na no ye krado ye pa se odiba bedi juma na bro ne samtwafo etwetwe nkomo na ochemu se eye dwumadi omo amudi nanim di ye no ba wa be de obehwe na commission mpuntuo etimi abem sane ebe ya sane mpanifo na social ase no no so no ebetimi ede akwa awieye we no ochemu se ya de owo suahunu be ye mfinhia na aduonu ede fefo magudi etu ho eno enam so ntu no betimi akoba biara sanso na be ye mre ede ama no sane ebe ye oni industry ye players ne so betimi afa namfo no matimi edi dwuma ese na ochemu ndo wogidie pa so betimi etu aban ne fo sane ebe ya bibia betimi akoso ye ewo industry ni ye bomodi am yensa ka ene no ede amamo.
I think a lot of good things have happened at the Minerals Commission. My predecessor built a lot of good things, capacity building, infrastructure, and I believe these are fundamentals that we can stand on to drive the strategic direction of the government policy that we want to do. If you ask what I bring to the table, at least I have over 20 years of mining experience, so I've been on the other side. And implementing policies, I would know what will be beneficial to the company as well as the government. So at least I should be the guy to be able to strike balance between government policies and what actually drive productivity or efficiency for the companies on the other side. So if you ask me, I think I'm in the right position to actually advise the government on some of the things he wants to do based on the experiences and where I'm coming from.
Eniya uti ye CEO Edema Minerals Commission Isaac Andrew Stando.
Kasi abone yenyina we so na yenkenka madwenkyere ne bi na yemfa nsomo awiai na yetumirika na yehyiamo ewo Facebook nzade made aba no etemu pa se premu ani abomu no ebi wo mpapapa na yentu yebo ase ntutu na sere na abasa emfa mamo awiai na we efri Joshua Esiedu no say good afternoon yenso ya chia obi senior ya chia pam Master Planner Junior Kentampo no diapa no ana wuchirima ne ensam ne mu odesa no manam de aka ne de senior medase dudu kopiem o party headquarters na mo kan ho no medase Agyei Isaac no say ohwe live edi free eye Facebook La Paz fantastic news this brother Kwame Tushio your brother Kwame Tushio within pasha de kemi azikaji Tushio ne bi o sikapa hia bi o pesika bi akwa na ayi bi ntemesrew se Tushio na bia man bi wate Mr. Agyei brother Kwame Tushio Facebook La Paz ye chia opa ya dase eno abaso bom gifty atta and watch them so here live edi free tema gifty atta ye je so pa na ye chia ya dase nso ne dwumade a wobo de ta ye chia ya monhye na afoforo so nya binti me wafa se comfort man watch them say good afternoon wafa Sammy B ni Adjoa Agyei Sikapa o se awie kasi abone in fact e mo de san man o se ye mo ne no wish Auntie Mary from Lakeside the glorious birthday from the executive of DLFM College Association the Kuno omuso ndo papa panyamishira opi ye mame na onya okese pa so ye mame a within the Auntie Mary wo Lakeside yamishira opi no awoda no onya wosoronko we every executives onom egba adwumaden wo DLFM College Association Kuno emu omuso ndo ye pa ya das ye mame nyamenya okese sanso na Kofi Benz ne Benz na ye ka na yetwini bia na o say good afternoon DLFM news papa from Tema Newtown greetings to Zagi from Abokobi Mate oje so wate sanso na me wofa K also the free new plan station Kwame Nkrumah second no tell sem asemo I say President John Mahama please do something about your hometown volley fight okay ani de nya sembone edu ochire magana mampani yanka nkyira osentokwa wo do ekoso ne nipa bi dwane ko la Côte d'Ivoire no ye ho bibi pa ne moa bomode na bibi fafa ho ne man konka visa wo ene ye ka de am commander Ghana pita go pa na woda no a wa bibia hye wonsanti no o say honorable Moses Abol Brew army commander ochia wa wiei mate sanso na Kobi asama no chem say good afternoon Nhyiraba ne Adjoa o say great and authentic news kudos yeda say me wafa say ya me nhyira opi na abasobo a wonso wode aboya wiei sika wo say nkomo bi ho tene tewe ne yakwa ni.
Happy birthday Kasiewe Kwama Valerie Nanajua Ofosu uko school ewa St. Paul's we free Omami Millicent Ohine onu na ACU edema Multi Collections ewa Salam Down ana wona naba award Trasanso ana wunuanom eye Manfred ene adepa ana mu na aka bomu edi birthday srunku we edi ama omo sinyakopon sha na wonya wokase oma wunyi embeye peni panomo wakoma so ade ni na embremu inti no happy birthday kase pa ana ekọ edi ama eye Valerie eye na Adjoa Ofosu nyakopon enhira
birthday no we won na what dey no say da ben
24th of this month.
Bosumi we mo. Aye. Na se mo ne yem papa Charles Kwadwo Fosu. Na mo nyina mudi ma woda wo. Bosom ba kopem. Amen. Ebra ho pa. Ka fi we se daddy be yem show no. Ah. Ene be se daddy abusua pani. On hwe no ma prapra chire. Ene funu committee no. Ana manka ne yi kura. Die de be se. Awode na eto so no. Nana Mavis nana amanhyira mensa. Silver Lady. Ono ene ye programs head. Edema DLFM. Abe on hard drive on the teardrum. Anka ya papa, ko ba prechire se ya amayen. Efiri ono mo a, Adjoa Agyei Sikapa, bosumi ye mu. Na afi nso, Efia Sugar. Jare president. Kamba daddy ba prechire comment ya papa busua pani. Mia mabusua pani. Nana Kofi Owusu Boahen. Uno abedwo ko ma prechire mayen. Ana manka ne ye kura. Because daddy wo ha anko ko beye edin Nyankopon fa daddy crancy pa mama me wura ho awie wura ho pa nanso nyametias bibia beye fine ana meboa sikan ebu aye poma be di shem bibia beye boko Nyankopon fa ne crancy pa panifo se be edu amanfo so a ne yakaya anom ne du birthday die pa ofi ha ne ma ye koso no in fact ya yi wadze sika ya yi wadze but Nyankopon so yem bibia be ye kama ye papa abusuan so Nyankopon chekere wono were ate ba ma kan fante kakra ya yi wadze pa kasebo ne ye de asi menka no fante ana kasebo ne ye de asi emusemufo ne ye Maze Mabel Entry ene se mo ema yen DJ Omarion e de ekopie mo e wo Facebook no sema kasebo ne humfoni any videos unya bi ehwe ye Sanso na DJ Zikipi echinchim efidene from a edosome ye honhom kwanso akankanfo mienu a ye hwene tia sentemu eye mo wofa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hoteden ene Alhaji Abdul Twasuntedi hienim mene mo wofa seba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
na hoteden ene
Dum Salevi
ye kwenu hwan na eba
Kwame Afum
ono no ye den
achire mu hene mu hene we ya radio mu Kwame Afum
papa no one hwan na eba
one sexy journalist
radio no wana aye den
one autoye
Kwame Afum tenase a
enya wodi abi
wodo nsaka ebe ye den bechi udedua memra ne wodi ne se de se eyi me wafa ase ba ne den e de sexy enne odwuma de bia na wodi ye ka ne se eba na aba enne de se enne ye yi ye fra ne se nkai dum se na ye Friday china so na Adjoa Seki achire mu hima diala odwuma de on netena so on na ye ohema a wote so ne papa dafo ne papa nimpon te mesere mo Ghana fo yi ye ko wan kwagya ne ebehu ye ko ne ye den krata ye ko ne atwehwedin titru ne ye listeners no wa mape ye ba beka wo ban so amfasa pan ba na Adjoa Seki ye nkwata na gina sabi mpenifo ase de chi apane ono na ye den epam mebube na ya gye so de na chi apane ono na ye den
I know they been today. I met you dear.
T. Me say the netia pan yon one a day. The other two and is yon one a day. Papa no. What much will be no. Ghana for the mercy, Emily Pem, your best sensia. Kwame Afum, any sex journalist, one bet was no more day. In Kedum, Edia Twasso.
The luckiest, luck is everywhere, for everyone, yeah.